Hello. Welcome to Desynologhy. Today we will add different brushes to Gimp editor. Without further talking, let's get started. This video is mainly divided into two parts. The first part is choosing brushes, and the second part adds them to the Gimp editor. I tried so many websites to find some Gimp brushes. But most brushes aren't work very well. So I found a website with working brushes and I used this website for this video. This website is called devyantart.com. This is an awesome website for graphic designers and digital artists for their works, and also you can share or sell your designs. They have Photoshop and Gimp brushes to get. First, open your web browser and type devyantart.com on the address bar. It will open their website. You need an account to get any service from this site, so first sign up. Now in the search bar let's type brushes. Press the View All button. There are lots of amazing brushes to choose from. Also, these brushes are compatible with Adobe Photoshop. You can directly use these brushes with it. But now we don't try these. I tried some brushes but they didn't work for me. I don't know why, but you can check these brushes, sometime it'll work for you. Let's type Gimp brushes in the search bar. These brushes worked very well during my tests. So I'm going to use these brushes. Also, there are so many brushes. You can choose whatever you want. I'm choosing this brush set. Then press the download button and download the file. Open this PC and go to Downloads. Then select the brush file and unzip it. Then open the unzipped file. Open the Gimp editor. Go to the menu bar and select Edit and click the Preferences button. It should open a new window. Click the plus icon near the Folders button. Then search for brushes and click it. Choose a location with this mark. Otherwise, this will not work. Click this button to open the location in File Explorer. Then select the brushes file and open it. Go to the extracted file and simply drag and drop the brush file to the brushes file that opened a while ago. Now you can open the Gimp editor and click the refresh button. Check the brushes that you imported. Now you can use those brushes for your work. Let's check some samples of brushes that we imported previously. As you can see, the brushes are working very well. That's it for this video. I hope your time didn't waste. I'll see you in the next video. For now, create creativity. Bye.